Alright guys, hopefully there's enough light to see what we're doing here. We're doing a night run with our MF-01x, our Beetle rally. We got our brushless 770 kv ES and our Arrma BLx. I'm not even sure what state we're at with this car. I don't think we've changed anything really. We're just getting it to run. And while we're waiting to pick Mom up from work. It's not raining, so take advantage of it. Alright, we're getting our GPSs. And with any luck, we'll get our DTO2 out as well today. Looks like it's got it. Get a little shakedown. It's a new location. Town just recently paved this. So with any luck, we'll get something. Come on. I know, right? Woohoo! Still didn't fall. I know, a little twisty twist. I'm getting pretty good at controlling her. I gotta turn my steering down. I know, right? Famous last words. So I gotta turn my steering down a little bit. Oh, as soon as I said that. We probably lost the GPS. So we'll walk through it. But it definitely slowed down. I was on the brakes when it flipped. I'm learning how to use my brakes better. Something I didn't used to do too much before. With the TTO2, that one, it doesn't like to brake. So, looks like the GPS is still on it. Nice. But it... Oh, no, GPS did fall off. And it looks like the pinion come off. That's not bad. But, oh, nice guys, 62 miles an hour. See that, 62 miles an hour, put us on the board. Much better. And there's still a lot of juice left. Again, I'm finding the right location. I think this isn't a bad spot because that was I think my best is once I crossed the line, I gave it a pump and then I'd brake it. And then our flip was from braking, so. Yeah, that's awesome. 62. There you go, Phil. Going in the right direction for sure. My idea on this next run is to raise his body up a little more so it pushes it back down. This Beetle body actually works really good to pushing the weight down. And like I said, I like bricks, so this is a brick. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and that's our new PB, at least with this chassis. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. I'll show you what's under the hood real quick, just to make sure I'm legit. So it's 2S using our URGENEX 5200s, ones we've been using right along. So we're not even on 3S yet, but we're at 62, so that's awesome. 62 exact, that's so awesome. Anyways, I'm pretty excited about that, guys. And again, that's our Surpass Hobby 7700 and our BLX 100, and yeah. Awesome. See you guys.